Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's explore a new method to make these crispy prawn sticks. A perfect starter for any party? Let's see how to do it. Take some cleaned and deveined prawns, add some chopped onion, garlic, salt and pepper and make this into a smooth paste. Into that add some soy sauce and combine. Finally add few teaspoons of cornstarch, which will act as a binding agent and also removes the excess moisture. And then take a piping bag. Yes, you heard it right. Take a piping bag and fill the prawns paste into it. Now cut the tip of the piping bag and insert a skewer through the tip and start piping the paste onto the skewer like this. When it reaches the end of the skewer, just twist and take it out and just shape it. Let me show you again. Making this is really simple and fun. After making the sticks, just roll them in breadcrumbs. You can shape them a bit while you coat them in breadcrumbs. After coating all the pieces in breadcrumbs, it's ready for frying. So heat some oil in a pan. Now fry these prawn sticks in hot oil. Flip them in between so that it'll get fried equally from all the sides. When it turns into nice golden brown, take it out from oil. You can serve these prawn sticks with any dip and it tastes incredibly delicious. So definitely try this out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.